Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to take a deep dive into ClickUp, the all-in-one project management tool that's revolutionizing the way teams work together. Whether you want to become a project manager or simply improves your skill, this video is for you. We will be exploring advanced project management strategies and how ClickUp can help you stay organized, manage tasks efficiently, and boost your team's productivity. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. ClickUp is a versatile project management and productivity platform designed to streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and boost team efficiency. Offering a wide range of customizable features, it helps businesses of all sizes manage tasks, deadlines, communications, and goals in one centralized space. Whether you are a small startup or a large enterprise, ClickUp empowers users to organize their work, automate repetitive tasks, and track progress in real time. With its intuitive interface and robust integrations, ClickUp is quickly becoming a go to solution for teams seeking a comprehensive all in one tool to drive success. Let's explore the pricing plans of ClickUp designed to cater to different needs and team sizes. 1. Free forever. Perfect for personal use or small projects. This plan gives you access to essential features at no cost, helping you stay organized without any commitment. 2. Unlimited. Best for small teams, this plan provides unlimited integrations, dashboards, and advanced features, giving you everything you need to scale your workflows. Business. A popular choice for mid-sized teams, this plan includes advanced reporting, time tracking, custom permissions, and more, making it ideal for teams looking to manage growing projects and improve efficiency. 4. Enterprise. Tailored for large teams, this plan offers enterprise level security, dedicated support, and customizable workflows to meet the demands of complex operations and larger teams. With these plans, ClickUp makes it easy for any team to find the right fit and boost productivity. Now it's time to get started. To sign up for ClickUp, simply click on the sign up button. First, enter your email address and then click next. On the next page, you will be asked to enter your name, email, and create a password to set up your account. If you would prefer, you can also sign up quickly using your Google account for an even faster setup. Once you have completed this, you will be all set to start exploring ClickUp's powerful features. Now, it's time to set up your ClickUp account. First, you will be asked a couple of questions like where you would like to use ClickUp. Next, you will have the option to invite people to your workspace by entering their email addresses. If you are not ready to invite anyone just yet, you can easily skip this step. After that, you will need to give your workspace a name. For example, I am naming mine Global Tech 11. Once that's done, you're all set and ready to start using ClickUp. Now, it's time to create your space. On the right side of the screen, you will see an option called create space. Go ahead and click on that. First, you will need to give your space a name. For example, I am naming mine Marketing 1. But feel free to choose any name that fits your needs. Once you have named your space, click on Continue. Now, you will be presented with several options, such as selecting option like Starter or something for your team. I recommend choosing Starter to get started. After that, you can customize your space by setting up options like tasks, status, privacy settings, and more. Once you are happy with your setup, click on Create Space, and just like that, your space is ready to use. Now, you are ready to start organizing your tasks. To do this, click on the plus icon to create a new list. Give your list a name that fits your project. For example, I am naming mine Valentine's Day Special Campaign, but you can choose something like Spring Launch Campaign or Black Friday Sale, depending on your project. You can create as many lists as you need, each one tailored to different aspects of your work. This helps you stay organized and focus on specific tasks for each campaign or project. After creating your list, you can take your organization to the next level by creating a folder. To do this, click on the plus icon again, and this time you will see an option called folder. Click on that and then give your folder a name. For example, I am naming mine campaign to group our related list together. Once you have added your list to this folder, your workspace will look much more organized, making it easier to manage and navigate through your different projects. This is a great way to keep everything in one place and stay focused on your goals. After organizing your list and folder, you can further enhance your workspace by creating a document. To do this, click on the plus icon once again and you will see an option called Documents. Click on that and then give your document a name. For example, I am naming mine Campaign Setup, but you can choose a name that best suits your project, like Content Plan, Strategy Outline, or whatever fits your needs. This document will be a great place to add detailed information, strategies, or notes to keep everyone on the same page. After creating your document, you can also create a whiteboard to visually map out your ideas. To do this, click on the plus icon again and you will see an option called Whiteboard. Click on that and then give your whiteboard a name. For example, I am naming mine Social Media 1, but you can choose whatever name best suit your project, like Content Brainstorm or Project Overview. Once you have named your whiteboard, you will see different options at the bottom of the screen, which you can use to customize your whiteboard according to your needs, whether it's adding shapes, text, or images. Additionally, you will find an option for templates, where you can choose templates for tasks, lists, or other project elements to make your workflow even more efficient. Customize it as you go, and this whiteboard will be a great tool for organizing your project visually. Now, it's time to create your task. On the upper left side of your screen, click on Add Task. You will be prompted to give your task a name, so enter something that clearly defines what needs to be done, and then click Create. Next, you can assign the task to a team member, set a due date, and choose its priority level. Once you have filled in these details, your task is ready. You can continue to create more tasks as needed for your project. After setting up your task, don't forget to choose the status of each one. Click on the task and select its status. You can either customize the status or use the default ones. 1. To do. 2. In progress. 3. Complete. This will help you easily track the progress of each task and keep your project organized. Now, It's time to make your task even easier and more organized. On the left side of your screen, click on the plus icon. Here, you will see several options like creating labels, adding text, drop downs, and more, which you can use to customize your task based on your project's needs. For example, I am choosing to create a progress label. Once you click on that option, give it a name like in progress or anything that fits your project workflow. Additionally, you can also organize your tasks into a board view. This will make your tasks visually appealing and easier to manage. By choosing the board view, your tasks will be displayed in columns like to do, in progress, and complete that you can move around as the status of the task changes. It's a great way to track progress and keep everything neatly organized. I have created another folder called Website to keep everything related to that project organized. You can easily customize your workspace further by using the template options available in ClickUp. To do this, click on the plus icon and select the option from templates. Here you will find a variety of templates that can help you set up your project quickly, whether it's for task management, workflows, or team collaboration. Browse through the templates and choose the one that best suit your project needs. Once you have selected a template, you can start creating more spaces, lists, tasks, and other elements for your project. Templates are a great way to save time and structure your project in the most efficient way possible. After setting up your folders and tasks, it's time to organize your dashboard for better project management. On the upper right side of your screen, you will see an option called Dashboard. Go ahead and click on that. Once you are in the dashboard section, you will have different options like using a simple template or choosing to start from scratch. You can pick whichever option suits your project. I am choosing to start from scratch to create a fully customized dashboard for my needs. Once you have made your choice, you will see a variety of customizable options like adding widgets, task tracking, charts, and much more. You can personalize the layout, add important projects, and create the perfect workspace to monitor your tasks, goals, and progress. Select the option that works best for you and enjoy having a neatly organized dashboard that helps you stay on top of everything. The last step is to invite people to your workspace. On the upper right side of the screen, click on your workspace name. For example, Global Tag. You will see an option called Manage Users. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you will see the email of the workspace owner. To invite a team member, look at the upper left side of the screen and find the email box. Here, you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite to your workspace. After entering the email, you can select the level of access you want to give them, whether as a member, guest, or admin, depending on their role in the project. Once you have selected the appropriate access level, click on Invite, and that's it. The team member will receive an invitation and be able to join your workspace. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you get started with ClickUp and gave you some useful tips for organizing your project efficiently. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to share your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, happy organizing and best of luck with your project.